We owe this man an apology. Ian Espinosa has been amazing during this summer. I think dun sa mga past games ng Asia Basket ng Ateneo, I think I gave him 3 Player of the Game awards. Tapos yung kasama ko kanina kakabigay lang, as you can see in this graphic below. Grabe yung improvement that he has done this year. Actually this summer, not this year, pagkakasimula pala ng taon. He has evolved into a guard that can facilitate, more of a facilitator, but can also score when needed. He's becoming a steady presence on the court whenever he's on the floor. Especially mga Ateneo fans owe him an apology considering that they are his harshest critic. Iba talaga yung nagawa niya this summer. If you guys could check out the Asia Basket games, yung mga replay, yung mga full games, you could understand what I'm talking about. He looks like the most improved player right now. As of April 2025, anything can change. May Phil Oil pa, wherein we're gonna see how he's going to fare against other UAP teams. Pero against LaSalle, he was a steady presence. And LaSalle is going to be a finals contender this year. So I think that's a good barometer on what to expect from Ian Espinosa. It's only April. Let's see how he develops even more heading to the end of September, which is the start of the next UAP season. But for me, that guy has really evolved, has really stepped up his game. And I feel like ceiling raiser siya for Ateneo. It's pretty much it. Just really proud of how he has progressed.